Place the base in place. Put the cleaning brush, HEPA, and cleaning solution into the base. Then, plug in the power cord. Install the handle, clean water tank and sewage tank. Put the machine on the base and charge it. Fill the clean water tank with cleaning solution and water. Let you know how much battery power is left. Open the roller brush cover and remove it. Take the roller brush out and dry it. Clean the groove where the roller brush is placed. Press the button on the main body to release the sewage tank and remove it. Clean the specific points of the clean water tank. Clean the specific points of the sewage tank. Pour out water from the sewage tank and leave to dry. Remove the accessories from the sewage tank. Wash them and leave to dry.